Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. After a long weekend, markets will react to several news from domestic and global markets. At macro level, the major factors affecting our markets are not positive. Crude oil is quoting at $113 per barrel. It was around 101, 102. From there all the way it jumped to the levels of 113, which is certainly not good. At the same time, dollar index is comfortably trading above the mark of 100.50. Gold is around 1985 and 10-year bond yield is around 2.85. We saw some profit booking in US markets from higher levels, and Asian markets are also trading little bit lower. Singapore Nifty is down today by 50-60 points, but if we just go through with last few days action in the Singapore Nifty, then it is down nearly 200 points from the previous close. At domestic level, if we consider few results from index giants like Infosys and HDFC Bank, then they are below expectations, and because of that also we are going to see further more weakness in today's trading session. Technically, after hitting the levels of 18,100, we saw consistent weakness in the market. 17,600 acted as major support in the previous week, but again on Friday we saw one more dip below the levels of 17,600, and finally it closed very close to 20 days simple moving average, which was around 17,450. Below 17,450, or by and large below 17,400, we can expect further more weakness up to 17,200 or 17,100. Between these levels, we feel the market will consolidate and it will try to bounce back. So in case if we see the market is dropping to 17,200 or 100 levels, then there we should look for adding some long positions with a medium to short term view. We can keep stop loss around 17,000 for the same. We are expecting market to rebound from those levels, and that is the reason we should look for adding select companies between those levels. Financials and commodities, especially metal companies, should do well, and we should look for adding them if there is any specific sell-off in the market. For the Bank Nifty, 37,200 acted as major support, and below that we can expect further more weakness up to 36,500 or maybe 36,200. Technically, we are of the view that market is in the corrective mode and it is correcting after hitting the levels of 18,100. So after hitting important crucial support level, we are expecting market to rebound, and that's the reason the strategy should be to look for adding some position between 17,200 to 17,100 levels. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.